Namaste, this is Srinu. Swami Vivekananda said, a wonderful quotation: "You are the creator of your own destiny." Nobody can change your life until we have to change yourself first. One day, someday never comes in your life. Create today what you want in your life. When I have a self confidence, I can say, I am only one, I am one. I cannot do everything, but I can do something. That is my confidence level. A person who has a lot of confidence, that person can think, if I think I can do. If I think I cannot do this. That's why when we have to think like that, we get the confidence also in your life. Hard work depends on confidence. The confidence depends on hard work. Today, I would like to share a great personality who had a lot of confidence in his life. He was born in poor family in the richest country. His family was slavery in the richest country, and at the age of 7 he lost his mother. At the childhood he was faced many problems, and at the age of 21 he was failed in business. At the age of 22 he defeated in race. Again, at the age of 24, he was failed in business again. How many times he failed in his life? He did not care about his failure. And he has a clear vision what you want to become in his life. After that, at the age of 26, he lost his sweetheart and he faced many problems. That was the dark days in his life, and that situation was very sadness in his life. After that, and he had lot of self-confidence and he did lot of hard work. At the age of 27, he faced the health problems. At the age of 27, his nervous breakdown. After he took some days rest, after that he acquired the good health and he participated in the elections. At the age of 34, at the age of 45, he defeated again. At the age of 34, he defeated in congressional race. At the age of 45, he defeated in senatorial race. How many times he defeated in the election, he did not care about it. He had lot of confidence. What is my aim? I want to become that one. And he had lot of confidence. At the age of 47, he was failed to become a vice president of America. After that, he decided himself, I want to become what is my goal is there. I have to. And he had lot of confidence also. He did hard work also after that. When he defeated in the at the age of 47. And when he was 52, he became as a president of America and as a president of United States at the age of 52. Who was he? Can we call him failure? No, we cannot call him failure. And who was he? He was none other than Abraham Lincoln. Abraham Lincoln did hard work. When he did hard work and he got the confidence, when he had lot of confidence, he can do anything and everything. How many times failed? How many times defeated? He did not care about his past, and he has a clear vision what you want in his life. he achieved and he became as a president of America at the age of 52. When we have to think about the positive mind, the positive thoughts will create. That's why when we have think about the self confidence, when we have a lot of self confidence, automatically comes power. And when we have the power, we can do hard work. When we do hard work, we can do anything and everything. That's why self confidence is the first weapon to achieve anything in your life. That's why be when we have to think about the positive mind creates the positive thoughts, the positive thoughts create the positive ideas, the positive ideas can give you a lot of energy, the lot of energy we can get, and we can have a lot of confidence, and we can achieve anything in our life. That's why this is about a history creator of Abraham Lincoln in his life. Okay, thank you for listening, all of you. Thank you. Namaste. Jai Hind. Thank you all. Bye.